Associated with the natural level of employment is the natural level of output. So remember, from the production function, we had studied that Y is equal to N. How much ever labor you employ, that much will be the level of output that you will produce. And now remember that we just proved that at equilibrium, the amount of labor employed is 1 minus UN into L. So therefore, at this equilibrium, the amount of output produced is also 1 minus UN into L. So this is the amount of output that is produced, which is nothing but the amount of people who are employed. Okay. So this is the amount of output that you produce. Here, in fact, when I wrote E here, because the number of people who are employed is equal to the output produced, in fact, everywhere here also, we could have written Y. We could have done that because Y and N are same. So here also you could have written Y. You could have found out the output produced at any level. So this is what we are saying, that you can simply, instead of N, write Y everywhere. This is what you can do. This output is called natural level of output. So please see, UN is called natural level of unemployment. Correspondingly, NN is called natural level. Actually, this is natural rate. Natural rate of unemployment. NN is called natural level of employment. This is rate because this is U by L. Unemployed by labor force. Okay, so this is natural level of employment. And YN is natural level of output. Now, we also go ahead and understand that because I had W by P as a function of unemployment and Z, at equilibrium, unemployment is UN. So I can say that at equilibrium, W by P is Y, is a function of UN and Z. And unemployment is nothing but 1 minus employment, and employment is nothing but equal to output. So UN is nothing but 1 minus natural level of output by Y. So I can also write that W by P is a function of 1 minus YN by L, comma Z. This is important, very important. Why? Because now I have a relation between wages and output. How output affects wages. So this is going towards the relation between output and wages. So this is also an important relationship.